Hey guys, so here's a quick update. 5 days after launch of Polcash, here's my account so far and I have 34.03 Matics. So guys, I'm compounding my earnings. Okay? So gaya nga ng sabi ko, napaka-applicable and very effective yung compounding strategy dito kay Polcash kasi sobrang mura lang ng gas fees. So, yung in-upload ko guys, no, I think 3 days ago, eto yung account na to. So, ang total capital ko lang dito is nasa 290 yata, if I'm not mistaken. So, because of the compounding, eto na siya ngayon. 447 na siya. Okay? And if we compute how much is my earning so far, actually, nasa minimum lang ako. Yung account na to ha. So, nasa minimum lang siya because it's a silver package which is 2.3% per day. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, I have 447 Paul token here. I-multiply natin yan sa 2.3% per day. So, it's earning 10 Matics per day. Not bad, di ba? So, kesa naka-hold lang yan sa mga wallets natin. So, hindi siya nag-generate and bumababa yung value ni Matic or ni Paul. But don't worry guys, tested na to si Paul token. Huwag kayong mag-alala kung bababa yung value niya ngayon. Matuwa pa kayo kasi makakabili kayo sa murang halaga and pwede kayong magdagdag ng invest or stake nyo dito kay Polcash. So, pag na-reach nyo yung 500, ayan, dito sa sa plan ni Polcash, nasa gold na yan. And yung gold plan is 2.8% per day. So, meron siyang 5% gap, which is malaking bagay din yon. Okay? So, if I were you, kung meron ka namang enough na funds dyan, so, dito ka na sa gold kung kaya mo naman ng 500 kesa dito sa 2.3%. So, ako naman, in my case, kasi nag-start ako sa 290. Okay? And I hope ma-inspired kayo na i-share yung referral links nyo kasi dito mag-earn tayo ng referral rewards up to 10th level. So, ayan, based sa so meron na tayong malaki na yung referral earnings natin, 'di ba? I mean, not bad, 'di ba? So, 110 plus 121 sa level 1, nasa 300 plus. Kaya naman naiko-compound ko siya. So, na-maximize ko yung earning potential nito, 'di ba? So, kung aasa lang kasi tayo sa daily profit, which is not bad at all kasi yung 10 Paul token na yan, pwede mo na siyang i-compounding. Papakita natin yung computation ng daily compounding strategy. Okay? So, guys para makapag-compound ka daily, kailangan meron kang at least, let's see, 200. Okay? 200 times 2.3%. Oh, no. Kasi 5 Paul token yung minimum. So, ibig sabihin, dapat at least 220. Try natin. 220 times 2.3%. Ayan. So, meron kang 5 Paul token every day. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, na-reach mo yung minimum na pwede kang mag-stake. So, may i-apply mo yung compounding strategy. Okay? 220. Yan yung suggested na amount. Kung kaya mo rin lang naman mag 220 Paul token. So, 220. Yan, 4,000 lang guys. Less than 5,000 pesos, may apply mo na yung compounding strategy. So, 4,086 pesos. Okay? Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung compound ko ulit dito. So, i-withdraw ko muna siya. Meron akong available na 91.56 na available to withdraw. So, i-withdraw natin. And by the way guys, dun sa mga nasa Pinas, kung napanood nyo yung recent video upload ko dyan, kung paano kayo makakapasok. So, yung iba, nakapasok talaga sila. And meron din ilan na talagang hindi sila makapasok eh. No, hindi makapasok sa kay Polcash. So, try nyo lahat yung possible ways. Subukan nyo sa desktop. And then, subukan nyo yung gumamit ng VPN. Tapos, make sure na nag-clear cache kayo, clear browser history, i-refresh nyo lang, and then, try to connect ulit. Once na nakapasok na kasi kayo guys, madali na lang. Okay? So, ayun na yung total withdrawals ko, 273. I-refresh lang natin to guys. Alright, so I have 121 Matics available to restake. Okay? So, idadagdag ko ulit yan. 121. I-stake ko ulit to guys. Pero let's check my balance. Baka wala na akong pag-gas fee. Okay? Meron naman 0.01. So guys ito yung maganda kay Polcash. yung ganito kaliit na amount, enough na yan, good enough na yan for gas fee. So, buong 121 yung i-stake ko. Okay, click on stake. Ayan, so confirm. Ayun. So, ayan, 568 na guys. So, kung isahan ko lang tong dineposit or in-stake, dapat 2.8% yan. So, yun nga pala guys, for your information. Kung nagko-compounding lang kayo, okay, nag-start kayo sa below 500, 2.3% pa rin yan. Kahit umabot na kayo sa 568, 2.3% pa rin yan. Kasi nag-accumulated value lang yun. Pero kung nag-stake kayo na 500 agad or more, 2.8% po yun. Ibang plan yun. 55 days yun. Pero kung accumulated lang, 70 days po yun. Dito tayo sa silver. Okay? Same thing sa diamond. Kapag naglagay ka ng isahang bagsak na 2.5, diamond yung package mo. Pero kung nagko-compounding ka lang, umabot ka ng 2.5, it's still gold pa rin yun. Nasa 2.8% pa rin yun. Okay? So, that's how the system works. Alright? So, I'm done with my restake or compounding. So, pakita natin ngayon, 0 na siya, 0.005 yung balance. So, eto guys, pakita natin yung power ng compounding. So, pakita natin gaano ka-powerful yung compounding. Since hindi naman siya dollar, since Paul token siya, dito natin i-click. And then, yung principal amount, subukan muna natin 220 sa daily compounding strategy. Okay? So, 220 principal amount. Ang daily percentage natin is 2.3%. Okay? So, within 70 days. Yan. 70 days yung plan number 1. Include all days of the week. Yes. 100% daily reinvest. Yes. So, let's calculate. Alright. So, guys, ito, 391.2% after 70 days. By January 10, ito po yung initial balance natin, 220 investment value. So, ito na magiging investment value natin. Okay? Magiging 1,000 na yun yung Paul token after 70 days. Pero, daily compounding yun guys ha. Kino-compounding natin. Alright? Now, sa 220 pa lang yan. So, kung hindi ka magko-compounding, inilagay mo lang yung 220 mo dito and then daily withdraw ka lang, withdraw ka ng withdraw, or kahit hindi ka nagwi-withdraw, bumalik ka lang after 70 days, finish ng contract, ang magiging earnings mo is 161% lang. Okay? No compounding to and no referrals. So, ito ngayon, with compounding, pero wala pa tong referrals ha. Hindi katulad yung sa akin kasi nagre-refer ako, mas mabilis yun kasi mas malaki yung compounding ko daily. Okay? So, ito guys yung comparison ng without compounding, 161%, with compounding, 391%. Okay? More than doubled. So, ngayon, ito yung sa akin guys. So, nag-start ako. Start natin ngayon sa 568. Halimbawa, hindi na ako nag-refer, di ba? Ganyan na mismo yung amount na nilagay ko. No referral involved. Okay? Say for example, lahat ng referral earnings ko, ikikip ko na. Yung earnings lang nito, ang i-compounding ko. Okay? Which is hindi ko talaga gagawin yon. Ang gagawin ko is compounding ko lahat. Okay? Para ma-maximize ko yung earning potential nito. Pero for the sake of this video, subukan natin na compounding strategy without any referrals sa ganitong amount. So, 568. Okay? 568. Since nasa ano tayo, nasa plan number 1, so 2.3% per day for 70 days. Okay? Let's calculate that. There you go. So, 2,790 ang aking value ng Paul token by January 10, 2025. So, ito yung initial balance ko. See? That's how powerful compounding is. 391.2%. Eh, what if tulad ngayon, may earnings ako, di ba? So, yung earnings ko kasi is combination of daily profit, percentage, plus referrals. So, if I were you, gawin nyo na rin mag-refer. I-share nyo lang yung referral link nyo. And, by the way, again, this is smart contract. This is very safe. So, open natin yung smart contract. And makikita nyo guys kung gaano ka-trending, no? Si Polcash. So, nasa 5 days pa lang. And look, nasa 8,000 na yung nasa pool natin, di ba? Yung amounts nung total stake ng lahat ng members. And guess what? Ayan guys, so invest, ayan may mga withdraw, invest, 'di ba? Kasi napaka ano lang nito, pangmasa talaga, 'di ba? With just 5 poll token, makakapag-start ka ng mag-earn. Kaysa nakatenga lang yung 5 mo, 'di ba? Mag-earn yan ng point something, 'di ba? 0.11 yata na poll token every day. So not bad, 'di ba? At least may nadadagdag. So kahit na hirap sa buhay, pwedeng mag-ano dito eh, 'di ba? Pwedeng mag-invest dito eh. Magiging investor ka pa rin, 'di ba? Kasi 5 volt token lang 'yan. And guess what? Ito guys, yung mga ayan investment ng mga members, no? Tingnan niyo, pumapasok 615 1 hour ago. Ayan, 5 minutes ago ito yung sa akin, 'di ba? Reinvestment ko lang 'yan, guys. So, ayan, 524 2 hours ago. So, ganyan ka-trending si Paul Cash. And nagsisimula pa lang tayo, guys. This is fully verified smart contract. Okay? So, eto na, 8,320. So, swerte yung mga naglagay ng malalaking amounts. 'Di ba? Kasi mas malaki yung nawi-withdraw nila daily at naiko-compound nila daily. Ang buhay ng smart contract, guys, is by popularity. Okay? Pag maraming nagpa-participate, safe ang ating mga fans kasi makaka-withdraw tayo tapos syempre nagko-compounding tayo, 'di ba? So advantage nung mga nagko-compounding agad kasi hindi mauubos to. Tsaka guys meron tayong safety net which is yung 5% cut for every withdrawals. Direct na pupunta sa pool yun, dumadagdag dito. Okay? So ibig sabihin, ito sa atin to eh, hindi to access ng developer. Alright? And the smart contract, whatever happens dito sa website, mawala man ito guys. Okay? Pwede tayong mag-withdraw through the smart contract. At paano yon? So, punta ka lang dito sa contract, then click mo yung write contract. Ayan. And then, i-connect mo lang. Ito. So, sige, itry natin to itatry, papakita ko sa inyo, hindi tayo dadaan sa website. Okay? So, kopyahin natin yung smart contract. Ayan. And then, punta tayo dito sa new browser. Okay? Close natin yung Polcash. Ito, close natin. Tapos, I will open my other account. I have another separate account here. Ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito si BNB Jet. So, ito, huwag kayong magugulat dito guys. Mas malupit ito. Ayan. So, I have 234 Pol token here. So, i-type mo lang Polygon Scan. Ayan, Polygon Scan. And then, ito, click mo yan. Tapos, dito natin i-paste yung contract address ni Paul Cash. Ayan, so, ayan siya. And, diba, 8,000 yan. So, ito siya talaga. So, hindi tayo dumaan sa website ha. Walang website doon. Okay, and then, let's go to contract. Okay, and, dito tayo sa, hold on. Dito tayo sa write. Ayan, write contract. Okay, so, i-connect natin. I-connect pa rin natin yung ating wallets. Ayan, click OK. Then, select MetaMask. So, i-open yung MetaMask, which is my other, ayan, itong isa, diba? Ito yung kaninang naka-open. So, ito yung bago ngayon. Click Next. Confirm. Alright, connected na siya guys. So, ang gagawin ko, hindi ako mag-invest, mag-withdraw. Okay? Click lang natin yung arrow down. And then, click right. So, ayan, meron daw akong 49 available to withdraw, which is $15 worth off. Okay? Kinlik lang natin yung withdraw, diba? So, i-confirm natin yan guys. Okay. Ayan, confirm. Okay, open natin. Para makita natin. Yan, 283. Ayun, no? Na-receive ko na agad. So, okay. Nakita naman natin, no? Basta, na-show ko sa inyo yung kahit wala man itong website, pwede tayo mag-withdraw, diba? At mag-invest. So, ganun ka-transparent itong project, itong si Polcash. Kaya, if ever you don't miss this one, it's gonna be trending worldwide. Ayan, and I have a business partner from the US. At sobrang, big time marketer yon. Okay? And meron siyang mga iba't ibang lahi na mga leaders. And yung Pakistani niya na leader talaga, pumasok po kay Polcash. So, ibig sabihin, uulanin tayo ng mga members ngayon. So, magpapahuli ka pa ba? Ibig sabihin nun, matuwa tayo kapag maraming pumapasok na members kasi bakit? Mag-grow yung ating itong smart contract. So, ibig sabihin, maging stable to. So, kahit mag-withdraw tayo, di ba? Okay lang kasi may mga pumapasok. So, kumbaga parang mayroong feeder, ganun, 'di ba? So bukod sa 5% cut for every withdrawals, may pumasok man na whale. By the way, hindi tayo papasukin ng whale kasi hanggang 6,000 matic lang yung pwede na maximum amount. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya mag-overpay. Okay? Kasi yung iba, yung mga whales, yung may kakayahang mag-invest ng sobrang lalaki, yun, sila din pwedeng makapag-withdraw ng sobrang lalaki, di ba? So, kawawa naman tayong mga nagko-compounding, parang tayo lang yung nagpo-provide sa kanila ng mga Pol tokens. So, dito sa system ni Polcash, hindi malayo po sa ganun. Okay? So, patuloy na mag-grow ito, kaya naman, maswerte tayo kasi nakaposisyon na tayo, everyday, nagge-generate na tayo ng profit. So, that's it guys. That's my update and I hope mas na-excite din kayo dito kay Polcash. Okay? So, again, subscribe lang kayo sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. And dun sa mga hindi makakonect, itry nyo lang yung best nyo guys para makakonect kayo. And use VPN. So, yung iba nakakapasok naman. I don't know yung iba bakit hindi makapasok. Pero sayang yung time kasi. Sayang yung everyday na pwede kayong mag-compounding, pwede kayong mag-generate ng profit. And hindi basta-basta yung profit natin dito daily, 'di ba? Minimum is 2.3%. Can you imagine that? Yung iba nga nag-o-offer 0.5 lang tapos 'di ba? Nagsasara pa. So ito, smart contracts, okay? Fully decentralized platform. So nothing is 100% guaranteed, but at least meron tayong low risk lang, 'di ba? So again, thank you so much guys and this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.